Hi. After watching this video, you will be able to create a language learning AI assistant which you are seeing on the screen now. Let's build the assistant now. Add the routing node and set up the intents. Add the text node and write a goodbye message to send when our customer says bye or goodbye to the assistant. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Add the LLM node and set up the models and prompts. I will give a prompt as you are a language learning assistant. I'll provide details about my language goals, challenges, preferred learning style, or specific language I want to master. You'll offer guidance, resources, study tips, and strategies to enhance my language acquisition process. Additionally, if I inquire about language-related difficulties or techniques for improving language skills, provide tailored advice or insights. If I ask you about unrelated topics, respond with "Sorry, I can't help you with that." My expertise is focused on language learning. I have given this prompt on this video description. Our language learning AI assistant is ready. Let's check it on Sandbox. If you are interested in creating a customer support AI assistant, then watch the video shown on the screen now.